Hey guys, what is going on, my Poke family? Today we're going to be opening up a Scarlet and Violet Paldea Evolved Elite Trainer box. I actually messed up and I forgot to place my order for the Pokemon Center exclusive. I really thought I did, but it turns out I didn't and they are sold out now. So I'm still waiting to see if those ever pop back up on shop to do a comparison video. Really bummed out that I made the mistake and did not order them. But we have the regular one that we could go ahead and open up. If I am able to order the Pokemon Center exclusive, I'll just do a side-by-side comparison when I get that in. But for now, we could just do this one. I love the box, kind of really reminds me of Evolving Skies. I think this set, hey, it's classic Kyle, man, dropping my camera every video. Very nice. Okay, that just means it's going to be a good one. Very professional here. Come on now. All right. What is this? Get this out of here. You get 9 packs. You get some condition markers. You get some pretty cool sleeves. I dig it. They're pretty cool. You get a code card for all you code card hunters. And I'm going to open this because I definitely need this for my collection. Mine is not in too good of condition, but you get a super dope Pikachu promo. It's really dope with all the starters. Looks really nice. And you get more garbage. You get a Brick of Energy, some dice, and some deck dividers. I only need one, so store the rest over there carefully. Let's go ahead and get straight into the packs here. I'm ready to see all that awesome pulls. Gonna get 2 special illustration rares right here and a gold. Calling it now. That was just a warm-up pack. Don't worry, don't worry. We're gonna start warming up right here. Code card. Oh, we got a Tinkaton. This is my first one, so I'm not actually too sure how the hit rates are on these ETBs. I think I see something. Ooh, we got a Billy Bolt full art. Very nice. I like that green, like the background. That's really cool. Way better than the regular EX of that card. Got a Hydreigon. Code card. We got a Dung Beetle and a Mimikyu. Code card. Tarantula, Corviknight, and a Spiritomb. Alright, here's where the fire starts. Right here. The full art was pretty good, but this is about to be even better. Oh, we got a Arctibax. Very nice. I think this is a pretty dope one to pull. Camera's way off. There we go. 2 packs left here. Code card. That Magikarp is really dope. The special illustration rare. Oh, Meowscarada EX special illustration rare. Am I good or what? I told you guys that we were going to pull one, and here it is, right here. Proof is in the pudding. Bam. This is a really good ETB, actually. Not get a lot of hits, but these are quality hits, and I will gladly take quality over quantity. Oh my gosh. Never ending right here. Sableye, the best hollow in the set, and the Sleeping Raichu. I need this. That's what I'm talking about. That was a super good box. Very nice. And that is going to be... Not, just kidding. You guys really thought I was going to end it there? I have got a booster box on top of it. We had such good pulls. I got to continue this luck. I didn't get a gold card that I wanted, so now I will. Let's open that bad boy up. You know what? I always start with the left. I'm going to start with the right side for once. Change things up a little bit. You guys thought I was going for the left? Nah. Going for the right. Being unpredictable. We got a Zwelos Practice Studio and a Hydreigon. Let's set these off to the side over here. Perfect. Make room for the 13 hits I'm going to get out of this box. Magikarp. That is not the one we're looking for. Oh my gosh. A Noivern EX Full Art. This is my third or fourth time pulling this stupid card. It is in every box I open up. I cannot escape the Noivern. It's definitely a good looking card, but come on, how many times am I going to pull that one? Wingull, Slackoth, and a Baxcalibur. Choice Belt, and a Caparaja EX. Oh, I think I see something in here. I'll slow this one a little bit. Build the suspense a little bit. We got a Luxray. Oh, Shanks. And all that just for Fortress EX. I am terribly sorry. A hit is a hit. I will take it. Thought it was going to be a special illustration rare. Oh my gosh, are you serious? Meowscarada, special illustration rare. Well, I'm just going to go ahead and put that next to the other one. It's definitely one of the best ones in the set to get, though. One of the best. We got a Clavel. A Frigbax. This is my first time pulling this one. Frigibax. I don't know why they're all rolling over all the time. The guy has absolute no chill. Pyroar, Bramlin, and a Boss's Order. I have finally went ahead and ordered some Pokemon binders. I still have got my cards everywhere for this set. This place is a disaster. Actually, I think I need to show you guys some of my sets. I do have the Crown Zenith 100% complete, and I was able to finish the Sword the Scarlet and Violet base set. So I'll go ahead and show you guys what those look like in a future video. Crown Zenith is still my favorite set, I think, of the Sword and Shield era. Everyone's all about evolving skies, but the hit rates on Crown Zenith are just so much better. And it's always a blast. Even if you get the same card, they all look so nice. We got a Quackwavel EX. We are getting a lot of hits over here on the right side. We're at 6, so that's about average per side. Need to try to get one more so we can get that 13 hit box. Passimian, Fuecoco, and a Tyranitar. Dung Beetle, Paldea Tauros, Fire Edition. I do love how they have no pack trick and you could just blow through it. Are we really gonna go this rest of the time without getting hit on the right side? Come on now. Give me one more, man, one more. Nope. Ugh. Alright, alright. Guess it is going to have to be the left side to get 7 for us. Got a Rock Mushroom, Tinkatone, you guys are going to complete your hollows and reverse master set so fast for this set because the new way that you get a hollow every time and 2 reverses at minimum. I really need to pull that Iono. We got a Miss Magius and a Sagoro. Definitely have both of these cards, but I will take a nice double banger. That is not the full art that I wanted. So we got 2 crappy full arts. I already have both of them. We got a Tinglu EX. We're looking for that Chen Pao. And nothing. Nothing in this one. These open up like crazy. It's like they're not even glued or anything. The crimp is not holding too well. Hariyama. Grusha, Magnemite, and a Boss's Order. The slide is going to need to pick it up if it wants me to get... Oh, there we go, there we go. Gonna slow roll this one. Tyranitar reverse, and a Water Gold energy. Those look super nice. That's got to be one of the best gold energies I've ever seen. That is beautiful. Very nice. So we got a gold. We got a special illustration rare. We got 2 full arts. We got So far, just 2 illustration rares, so I think I should be getting at least 1 more illustration rare. And 4 EXs, so I think we might get 1 more EX and another special regular illustration rare. Unless we get a better box, of course, you could always get some different pools. But it really feels like they're starting to get kind of seeded like Japanese. Definitely got something in this one, I think. Yep, the Pikachu EX. That is our 5 EX pools. So let's see if we could get that last special illustration rare and maybe a character rare, my bad. Maybe we could get another bonus EX, which we would need for that 13 hit box. So we are at 11 hits right now. Nothing. 3 more packs left. Could be crazy and ask for a 14 hit box, but that might just be crazy. Oh yeah, there we go. We got a good one. We got the Raichu. Very nice. Great card to pull. Very nice. Now I have doubles. Well, I guess this is the same as the ETB. Meowscarada and Raichu. Alright, we got our 12 hits. I'm not expecting anything else. Maybe we could get a 13 if we're lucky. Nope. I actually think that's the first time I've seen the Gyarados reverse. It's pretty dope looking. Ooh, let's fold it over. And our last pack of nothing in it. We got a nothing, just like I said. Okay, we got 12 hits, just like every single time. Let me know what you guys think. I think those were actually really good boxes, and the ETB was great. I will see you guys in the next one.